Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the 16th lesson, can, may, should, must. Okay. What is can? When we use can? When there is a possibility of something happen, then we will use can. Or when we have to talk about someone's capacity, then we will use can. Okay. If we ask permission also, we can use can. Next, the negative form of the can is cannot. And next, may. Where we use may? When we ask permission or when it shows the possibility, then we will use may. Okay. Negative form of may is may not. We must use to show the importance of doing something. So must is used, we have to impulse a strong feelings, then you have to use must. You must go, you must do. When you talk about the strong, okay. Should we use to give advice. You should not do this, you should not go, all these things. Advice, giving advice. Can, must, may, should, always followed by verb. Okay. Fill in the blanks with can, cannot, may or may not. He dash paint very well. He can paint very well. There dash be a storm in the evening. There may. Kavita dash come in the evening. She has a meeting. Kavita cannot. I dash water the plants for you when you are not here. I can. Dash you help me with my homework. Can you? Rupa is a good player. We dash ask her to join our team. We can ask. Father, dash I use your mobile phone to call my friend. May. No, you dash go out to play now. You cannot go out to play now. Next, fill in the blanks with the correct option. You dash reach the station on time. Can or must. So here you can use both. Both are correct. So can is used when it talks about the capacity. Yes, you can reach the station on time when you are hurry. Okay, means it tells about your capacity. You can reach the place. Next, you must reach the station on time. Means you have to go or else you will miss the train. Okay. So here both answers are correct. So you can write any one. There's no problem. Here I will write must. Okay. So if you write can, that's also correct. Okay. We dash get up early in the morning. We should. We should get up. Dash I have the last piece of chocolate. May. We dash throw wrappers on the road. Littering is bad. We should not. We dash visit Aunt May if it does not rain tomorrow. We may. We dash be careful while crossing the road. We should be. We dash be unkind to the poor and the needy. We must not. Must not. I dash make a sandwich by myself. I can. You dash eat fruits daily to be healthy. You should. We dash talk rudely to elder. We must not. Fill in the blanks with can, may, must or should and the given verbs. I can walk 5 miles without a break. Okay. Next, you dash to switch off the lights. You should remember to switch off the light. Next, we dash to Nainital for our vacation. We may travel. Next, you dash your breakfast. You must finish your breakfast. There dash a way out of this problem. There must be a way out of this problem. We dash traffic rules. We must follow. You dash not dash into a fight, his mother suggested. You should not get into a fight. Next, we dash to the market to buy things for you. We can go to the market. Dash I dash inside. May I come inside. We dash at Rana's or at my house today. We may stay. We may stay at Rana's or my house. Understood? Next, let us write. Meenu and her friends recently heard about a man with an unusual talent. Complete their conversation by filling the blanks with can, may, must, should, and their negative forms. Meenu, did you hear about the man in the USA who dash pull a truck with his teeth? Who can pull a truck with his teeth? Tina, I dash believe it. It must be a prank. I I can't believe it. Meenu, it's not. I saw the video on TV. Vinith, if it was on TV, the man dash have done it. The man must have done it. Tina, his teeth dash be very strong. His teeth must be very strong. Meenu, I wish I could do something like that too. Tina, you dash try something like that, Meenu. It is very dangerous. You should not. You should not try. Vinith, even if we dash do it, you dash try it, Meenu. Even if he can do it, you should not try it. I was just joking. How dash we find out more about the man? How can we find out? Let's ask the teacher. Understood? For this we finished our 16th lesson, can, may, should, must. Okay? Tomorrow we will start 17th lesson, agreement of subject and verb. Okay? Thank you.